Hey, what is going on, guys? So this is going to be my personal review on this VitaminVape B12 that I got on Amazon. Now, I've been using this for quite some time now, and let me tell you how I got started into these. A while back, one of my friends came over here, and he was here in his office, and he was smoking this, and I was like, hey, what kind of e-cigarette is that? He was like, basically, it's not a e-cig, it's actually a B12 vape. And he said that it gave him like energy, plus he's a regular cigarette smoker and he cut down smoking dramatically. Anyways, he went on and gave me like one of these sticks here, and I kept puffing on this for like a few days. And I actually enjoyed smoking it, so I looked on Amazon where he got it, and I started reading through the reviews, and there's some good reviews. There's more good reviews than bad reviews, or a lot of the reviews say that it didn't do absolutely nothing for them. But the thing is, it's B12, and B12 is supposed to give you like energy, put you in a better mood, help you concentrate. So there are a lot of reviews, and I started reading through the reviews, and you know, there was some reviews where people said they started smoking this and they couldn't like breathe well. There was another review where a 70-year-old guy said that basically this replaces morning coffee. However, I do smoke this and I drink my morning coffee or my latte like I am right now. Anyways, let me give you the lowdown for me, okay? Now for me, it doesn't give me no energy. It doesn't help me concentrate. Actually, it doesn't help me do anything. I mean, the only thing that I like about this is I enjoy smoking it. You know, I smoke most of the time I'm here in the office, especially when I'm editing videos and I get kind of bored. I'll sit back and take a couple puffs of this. And I also read in one of the reviews that somebody said by smoking these, they had some like really weird nightmares. Anyways, I don't have like any nightmares with these or anything. I just basically use this out of boredom. It does like, I guess it kind of like does like calm me down, but it's not really like giving me energy or making me feel more focused. I just enjoy smoking these. Okay, so basically, I mean, this is what it looks like. Now, the cool thing is not like a regular e-cigarette. You don't have to like recharge it or put in like fluid or anything like that. Basically, you get it right out of the box like this. You take it out and you keep puffing on it until the battery runs out. You'll know when the battery runs out, when it doesn't like light up as much, or when you don't get enough like vape, you know it's dead. And then you just throw it out and you get the next one. Now, I think they said with one stick, you get like 84 normal puffs. For me, I think this lasts maybe like 4 days or so. And you can see that I purchased quite a few of these. Now, the thing was, my friend gave me one for free, and then I went on and bought my own. I bought like a 3-pack here. When I bought this 3-pack, it was like $48. And then next time I bought it, then it was like $45. The last time I bought it was $42. So they kept decreasing the price. And I just got this one here. This is a 10-pack. This one here is like $110. Now, as of today, right now, they basically, I mean, you can buy one stick and it's like $16.75, or you can buy a 3-pack, which cuts down the price to like $14. Or if you buy the 10-pack, it'll bring each stick down to like $11 a piece. Now they say that this is a citrus flavor. To me, I don't taste like no flavor at all. Some other people mentioned that it tastes like bubble gum. So here's the 10-pack here. I just got this one in today, and here's a 3-pack here. It comes in like that. So on their Amazon page, this is what they say about these B12 vapes, okay? Under the product. Studies show inhaling B12 can be hundreds of times more effective than sublingual, liquids, and pills. With just 5 to 10 puffs, you can consume over 5,000% of your daily B12. And in regard to the ingredients, they say vegan B12 supplement, and contains no nicotine or tobacco. And again, like I said here, they say 10 to 20 puffs is equal to the amount of B12 found in typical B12 shots or injections. Again, I'm not sure how true that is. So there's my personal review. Again, it doesn't give me no energy. I don't feel less fatigue or less weak. I don't feel more focused. Maybe it does help me like relax like a little bit. Like I said, I smoke most of this when I'm actually like in the office, you know, when I'm editing a video, or maybe before I did this video, I was puffing a little bit, trying to brainstorm like exactly what am I going to say about this product. And I do enjoy smoking this or vaping when sometimes I'm driving, or at night, you know, before I go to bed, I'm watching like a documentary on YouTube. I like to take a couple puffs as I'm watching the the YouTube video. And like I said, there's no battery charge or anything. You just go ahead, you whip it out of the box and you keep on puffing until the light starts getting dim, then you throw it out and you go to the next one, okay? Let me show you the light on this when I smoke. On the end of it here, it actually says B12, okay? You probably can't see it from here, but anyways, that's my review. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.